please don't say I broke that. I'm begging to say I haven't broke that. I think I've just broke that. Fuck's sake. What's going on, everyone? It's your boy Ranj, and today I'm back with another video. I hope everyone's doing well. If you haven't already, make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel if you're new, and make sure you hit that bell icon for future notifications. Make sure you like, share and comment, and check out some of my other stuff because it is really cool. And if you're here for the S3 stuff, then check out some of my other S3 videos. If you want to follow me on social media, you can do. On Instagram, I am called Ranj. My profile's called Ranj_Sahota. That's my personal page, and I've got a page dedicated to my Audi S3, and that is S3 Ranj. So on there, you'll see pictures of my car, other people's cars, and all the mods and upgrades I do. So without further ado, let's get into this video. So today's video is a little upgrade modification that I've applied to my car. I did it all by myself, and it's brilliant because I'm starting to I'm starting to get to that confidence level of doing things like this to myself, like to my own car, to myself. Sounds a bit dodgy, but to my own car. So that was really cool, and I've got so many more things planned for the S3, big mods, little mods. So do keep an eye out. I hope I haven't got anything in my teeth. I've just eaten lunch and I had a falafel wrap, but yeah, that's besides the point. But yeah, let's get straight into the video, I suppose. What I have done is I have removed the old window washer jet, so the water that comes on your windscreen comes through 3 nozzles on each side, the left and the right. So what I was experiencing was that the nozzles would always get blocked, and on the left hand side they'd be a lot more powerful than the right hand side. So the water that would come on the left on the windscreen would be really powerful on the right. It's like the pressure would be really low. So I looked into a few possible upgrades and I found one. So I realised on the Golf R and other Audi models like the A6, I don't know why it's on the A3 range only that you get these crappy 3 nozzles, but there's a nozzle you can get which is Audi OEM VW part, and essentially instead of it spraying out of 3 different nozzles, it sprays out of like it comes out as a mist spray. So that's what I did, and they're heated as well. So the original Audi ones from factory come heated. These ones are also heated. So what I've done is I've removed them and then I added the new ones on. It literally took me about 10 minutes. The only hard thing about it is adjusting it to understand where you want the water to hit the windscreen. You can probably copy mine if you're going to do it to your S3. I'll put the part numbers in the description box. It was £23 it cost me from Audi direct. Really cheap, easy, efficient mod to do. It's really, really good. I would 100% recommend it. And if you have any questions, make sure you always drop a comment below. Within this video, I'll show you the before and after. I'll also show you the parts, so the ones that come on the S3 from factory and the new ones that I'm going to be putting on, and then I'll show you the actual process of removing them and adding the new ones on. And hopefully it's an easy, efficient, informative guide to help you do this mod. I really enjoy doing it, and hopefully I can, with future mods, whether it's the intake kit that I'm going to apply, the coilovers, I'm going to be doing everything myself with the help of my brother if I need it, and that's going to help you guys because you can save so much money doing it yourself, and it's you can do it yourself if you just take your time and have patience. So yeah, without further ado, let's get into this video, and I'll see you in a sec. Pow! So my engine bay is pretty clean, to be fair. Wow, really clean, to be fair. Did I clean it? I can't remember if I did, but I'm pretty sure I did. Let me turn the mic the other way so you can hear me a little bit better just whilst I speak to you guys. So yeah, hopefully now you can hear me a little bit better because the mic's facing me. And yeah, as you can see, my engine bay is pretty clean. So these are the bits that we're going to be replacing actually. So these are the existing window washer jets. I don't know if you can see how bright that is, but I'll try. There we go. So these are the existing window washer jets, and what we're going to do is basically clip these ones off and then basically put the new ones on. So I'm going to set the camera up and show you how to do that. We'll start with the left one, make our way to the right one, and I'll show you how hard or how easy it is. And yeah, let's get straight into it. So what I did was, I actually didn't even get a plastic tool, to be fair. I just got a screwdriver, and I'm going to try, because it's such a horrible place to kind of film, I'm going to try show you how I did it. So really gently, and then it'll literally follow it round to the left, and then you can just clip it out, you can just pull it out with your hands, and that is literally it. So yeah, this bit is the heating wire, and this is a nozzle for the water. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to clip them both off, and then show you the difference between the old one and the new one, and then pop the new one back on. And yeah, if it needs adjusting, we'll adjust it. But yeah, it's a really, to be fair, it's a really, really easy, simple task. So it's looking like it's going to be. Hopefully we don't run into any problems. Flip this. So I think with this, so that's pretty easy. So you do unclip that. Okay, so I unclip that, and then literally with this, I think it's just I think you just need to... So I'm not sure how you do this one. I did see the... Oh, there we go. It's easy. Pretty simple. Okay, cool. So we've removed one. This is the one that was on my S3, and this is the new one that's going on my S3. They're both Audi original OEM parts, and yeah, we'll see how they go, I suppose. So that's obviously for the nozzle, that's for the electric bit, that's for the nozzle, that's for the electric bit here. And the differences from this side, this is where the main difference is. So where you can see, these are 3 nozzles, and they're shit. They're so shit because they get blocked and they're just not powerful and they're not consistent with their flow. This is a mist. So I'm just currently waiting on my brother to hand me a tool. So when I said at the beginning of this video you'll need a Phillips screwdriver, you don't. You need a special type of screwdriver. So to adjust these, and when I say adjust these, so obviously these jets will hit a certain point of the window, and in order to get it higher or lower, you need to adjust it with, and you basically just need to get a screwdriver that fits this little hole here, and as you turn it left and right, it'll go, the jet will go up and down. So for example, I'll show you. I don't really need the full thing, but if you just pay attention to that there, this little jet, you'll see it move down. I think, oh no, hold on, other way. So left to move it down, yeah, left to move it down, and right to move it up. There you go. So as you can see, left to move it down, right to move it up. So I don't know which way this really needs to go yet, so I'm just going to just leave it there. But now that I know which one I've got, I'm going to go attempt to do the one I need. So again, what you want to do is just, yeah, unclip it, and then pull it down. It shouldn't really be leaking too much, but just want to make sure this is also clipped on fully. Yeah, it's just leaking out of there really. So I think what I want to do is literally, I think, is that what I want to do? Does it need to go higher or does it need to go lower? I don't know. The only way to test it is really just play around. That is a God honest truth. I don't know if you can see that, but that is the kind of adjustment you want it to be. You want it to be dead bang on in the centre. Not too high, not too low. Clip it first from this front. Literally just make your way around. There we go. And then what you want to do is just firstly unclip the motor. So I can't really see right now just because it's a bit, there we go. So you'll see that. Just gonna unclip that, the heated wire, sorry, and then carefully what you want to do is just unclip this. There we go. So the old one is off. Pop the new one on. So same thing really. So pop this back on, and then you'll hear a very, very, very small click. And same thing with that really. It's kind of shitty that you don't hear a bigger click. Just kind of make sure that's in, and that is it. Job done. There we go, job done. Oh, look, it's even said I need window washer fluid, but now they're absolutely perfect. So yeah, they're working absolutely brilliant now. Oh god, that's all gone all over my camera as well. Shite. I'll have to get a microfiber to quickly clean it. There we go. Let's quickly, gently clean that. So I hope you enjoyed that video. I hope it was informative. I hope it was a helpful guide if you're going to apply this mod yourself. Again, if you haven't followed me on social media, make sure you do so on my personal page or the S3 page. At the end of this video, you'll see that I've got playlists now. So if you subscribe to my channel only for the car stuff, there's a playlist only for the car stuff, and then for the other topics as well, for those people who are interested in that other stuff I do and get up to. But yeah, make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel, hit that bell icon for notifications, like, share, comment. And until next time, guys, take it easy and look after yourself. Peace.